How to make travel brochure in Canva. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make travel brochure in Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Canva, you could also use my affiliate links below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you will also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Canva, it is a versatile online design platform that enables users to create a wide range of visual content from social media graphics and presentations to posters and documents, which Canva offer intuitive drag-and-drop interface and vast library of templates, images, icons, fonts, make it accessible to both design professionals and beginners. And now to start creating a travel brochure, just proceed by clicking on the search bar in here in order to start entering or searching for specific templates. I'm going to enter here travel brochure. And upon clicking enter below here, it will show you the result of the templates that are available and the offer of this platform. And as you can see to this result, it will show you some of the templates that are offered for free, but some of those are offered for people with paid plan accounts. And to filter all of the free templates, just click this all filters button, and on the left side panel, from here you could also choose a filter such as in format, style, themes, subject, feature, and many more. But just proceed by clicking under price, this free. Then click the apply button below here to proceed. And upon clicking on it, below here it will show you all of the free templates that are offered for free on this Canva. So from here, all you need to do is simply select the kind of templates that you want to start with. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. So click on it. Then from here, it will show you the preview of what the template looks like before customizing or editing this. And now to customize this, just click this customize this template button right here. And upon clicking on this button, you will be able to be directed on this page, where from here you can start customizing some of the elements contained in this template. You could also zoom in order to have a bigger picture or sizes of this design. And to start customizing this, you could also start customizing the context it contains. For instance, this context right here, welcome to, simply clicking on it. After highlighting it, you can simply enter the context that you prefer. So for instance, I'm going to enter here the context you are now in, and after that, below the context, in here you could simply enter the country for this travel brochure. So for instance, I'm going to enter here the country of New Zealand. So only do the same process, which is highlighting the context and entering the text that you prefer. And now we've now successfully added or customized the context in here. We could also change the font style, font size on the top panel or editing tools. And by clicking this font style, you will be able to see on the left side panel some of the fonts that you could also use. We have here recommended fonts such as Bobby Jones, Horizon, Pluma, and many more. So for instance, I'm going to enter here or select this font, which is Bobby Jones. And it will show you right here that the font has now been changed. We could also change the color of this context if you want to, using the editing tools on the top panel, and even the position of it in our Canva. And now in terms of image, we could also start customizing or changing this image using the elements or some of the photos offered on these elements. So for instance, under this element on the search bar, I'm going to enter here the country New Zealand. But if you want to upload your own picture, just click this upload section right here, and you can simply upload a media files from your computer. However, I'm just going to use this element section and photos, in which from here it will show you a variety of photos that you could also click or choose to change the image in these templates. And if you already choose a specific photo, all you need to do is to simply drag it to the image that you want to replace, and after that it will show you instantly that the photo has now been changed. So for instance, on the second picture right here, I'm going to choose this flag of New Zealand. And now as you can see, we have now successfully customized some of the context and media files in here. Now you could also add elements like this mountain and other graphic design that you can find under elements on the left side panel editing tools. And aside from that, below here you could also change or customize some other details, including the exact location in New Zealand country, and also the details about mobile number and other contact info. And you could also enter here about the company details and even navigate on the top panel to customize the color of the context, the font size, font style, and many more. And aside from that, if you also want to change the background color, just click on this background and click on the background color box on the top left corner. Then on the left side panel, all you need to do is simply choose a kind of default colors, gradients color, and any other color that you prefer to be as a background in here. But if you also want to add other elements, you can do so by going on the left side panel element section And on the search bar, for instance, I'm going to enter here snow as elements. And upon hitting enter, it will show you below here all of the results that show the graphic design of snow. So I'm just going to select here a kind of elements that I want to input in here. And after that, we can simply drag it down or up and even resize it in order to fit in our brochure. And as you can see, we have now successfully added an elements in here. Now moving on to the next page, which is this page 2, we could also do the same process of editing and customizing the photos, context, background, and even adding elements on the left side panel. But if you also want to add context, just click the text section on the left side panel, and you could also add subheading, heading, and many more. And after that, from here, you could simply enter the context that you prefer. As you can see, I just enter here sample text, where we could simply navigate or drag the text to choose the location of it. And to start customizing the context, we can simply click on it. Then after that, we could also choose a specific kind of font style for it on the left side panel, in which there's a variety of font style that you can choose. So for instance, I'm going to choose this Bobby Jones. While for the color of this text, I'm going to choose on this left side panel this green color. And now as you can see in here, the context has now been changed. Its color, font style, and even font size. Or alternatively, you could also choose some other font style or font combination that you can find on the left side panel that is offered for free in here, in which there's a variety of design for font combination. And aside from that, if you also want to customize the specific design in here, just click the design section, then from here just select the style section. Upon clicking on it below here, it will show you a variety of color palettes that you can choose from. Or alternatively, you could also choose a specific templates that you want to replace this page by simply selecting the specific page that we want to add and dragging it in our page right here. And now as you can see, we have now successfully added the page 2 or replace it with other elements or templates in here. Then from here, we could also start doing the same process of editing or customizing, such as the context and image and also the background of this template in here. However, if we're now done customizing or editing this travel brochure, to proceed, we can just simply click the share button on the top right corner in order to download the travel brochure that we just created. In which below here, just click the download button, and upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to choose the file type, either PNG or JPEG. Then proceed by clicking the download button below to proceed. Or alternatively, you could also click this print with Canva button on the top right corner, and under this trifolds. From here, all you need to do is to simply click this resize design. And upon clicking on this button, you will be able to be directed on this page. In which from here, it will show you on the right side panel how your brochure will look like when it is already printed. Then you could also print it with Canva by simply choosing other details below here, including the type of paper we have here, paper finish, matte finish, gloss finish, and many more. And even select the number of trifolds. We have here 200, 250, 50, and many more. And it will show you the corresponding prices for those trifolds. Then by clicking the continue button, you will be able to print it with Canva. And aside from that, if you also want to upgrade your account on Canva, you can simply click the upgrade button on here. And also you can simply click on any plan that you want, such as yearly or monthly or even one-time payment. But overall, that is just basically how you can make travel brochure in Canva. Thank you.